Mother Earth really needs your help. Research shows 1 million plastic bottles are brought around the world every minute. And that was from a report in 2017. So numbers are even higher now. 91% of plastics are not recycled. That's at least 8 million tons of plastic a year. And if we don't change how we use plastics, by 2050, there'll be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Buy reusable water bottles and buy a filter for your tap water. And say no to using throwaway bottles by the dozens every day. Because this is what the world is dealing with right now. And one of these takes literally 400 years to naturally decompose. Think about it!